Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Apa tinopaina udzinenge chitika matima nenyika yedu yeZimbabwe tichingoti kana kari kutanga kukuya pane ino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchinge wagara wakasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Tine nawo yatavigira muzvara nhasi nawo yaburitswa naPresident Shutdown Mnangagwa. Vabuda vachikomenta on the 31 July demo yeri kunzi yakarongwa nevanhu vari kuopoza cap 3 ndofunga pane bato rakarongwa zvakare nemaopposition leaders ataura achiti there should be a demo musi wa 31 July. President Shutdown Mnangagwa wabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti they are ready to handle anyone who's going to be muma streets mure Zimbabwe. Pane speech yatakuigirai yataura kuti muonzo waPresident Shutdown Mnangagwa vachitaura muhamadzi zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyoyi mucomment section. Hazvina kumira mushe. It seems as if there is panic mubato reZANU-PF over this demo, especially after nyika yeSouth Africa ikaonekwa ichitaura iyo ichiti they are rallying behind people who are pushing for this demo mure Zimbabwe. Vataura vachiti President Shutdown Mnangagwa vatambudza Zimbabweans should go and demonstrate kuti President Shutdown Mnangagwa vabviswe pachigaro. Tisingade kuwesta nguva yenyu mure Zimbabwe, titongokusiyai muchinzwa zvakataurwa nawo Mnangagwa muhamadzi zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
We will not stop our development plans and programs because of the noise from some little boys. They will continue making that noise, but we shall continue to move on. But I warn anybody who may want to be nonsensical and bring chaos in this country, we are ready for any chaos, to deal with any chaos. Whoever who preach hate speech shall be responsible for their hate speech. Our prisons are not full. We want peace, we want unity. Those who do not disagree with that, but do so quietly and peacefully. Then, tichafamba tose murugare nokuwirirana. Asi ukaita mhesva mukono tinokuveza.
Ndofunga mangozvinzwira mega mure Zimbabwe zvataurwa naPresident Shutdown Mnangagwa pamusoro penhau yedemo yakarongwa. Hazvinomira mushe mure Zimbabwe. A lot of people vasikufara nemamiriro akaita nyika yeZimbabwe. Tofunga pane mahunga zvakare akabuda ari kunzi vaiauxilia Mnangagwa vari kuda kuiswa pachigaro. Hanzi is the incoming president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Now we are commenting on a retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke vachitaura vachiti, fellow Zimbabweans, the letter that just surfaced from the office of the president and cabinet is very clear and extremely disturbing. It is dated 14 July 2026 and instructs Print Flow Private Limited to print 1,000 official portraits of Auxilia Mnangagwa as the incoming president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. This is no longer speculation or rumor. It is now documented evidence. Exactly what I warned about regarding Cap 3 has come to pass. This is not constitutional reform. This is the deliberate construction of a political dynasty. They are preparing the ground to instill Auxilia Mnangagwa. I repeat, what the late Prophet Saint Noah declared publicly in 2012. After Mugabe would come Mnangagwa, and after Mnangagwa, the nation would be led by a soldier, General Chiwenga. The entire apostolic community of Joan Marange and many other true servants of God witnessed and recorded these prophecies. They are not hidden, yet now we see a determined effort to circumvent the spiritual order and impose a family dynasty upon the nation. This is rebellion against both the will of the people and the declared counsel of God. I call upon all patriotic Zimbabweans, war veterans, serving and retired members of the security services, church leaders and ordinary citizens to see this letter for what it is, a clear sign that the country is being steered in the wrong direction. We will not be silent, we will not be complicit, we will not allow the nation to be turned into a family property. This country belongs to God and to all Zimbabweans, not to one family. let the record show that we are now warning the nation. The mabuditsiro akaitwa nawe muri Zimbabwe na Lieutenant Winston Sigauke muri Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoiona sewo nhau itidzewo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
My current opposition leaders said, I'm finding it very difficult to 100% trust them. Why? Because it seems like everyone anechi unongedzwa uyu ari kunongedza uyu uyu achinongedza uyu. We are like entangled in a blame game. They're trying to look for munhu perfect, and it's become very difficult because point that time the other time kuti kana confidence dzaenda, what else my masses can be able to provide kune munhu anenge auya aine offer kuva leader. Even mukaya new political party kana confidence dzisisipo dzemamasses hapana zvamuri kuita, because tinongoramba tiri in that position yekungofungira kuti uyu ari kutishandisa uyu akatengwa, and mastatements ari kuseculate haasi kubatsira. Inofanira mastatements ekuti chinhu chakanwirwa ichi, chinhu chakanwirwa ichi. They've not been helpful, because all it is going to do is to dismantle genuine opposition and the faith we had in our leaders. That's all gone now. It's just like foregone conclusion. I think hatina munhu watingaso trust, you know. And it's not as if we are not passionate about our country, which is, I think, is not true. People are passionate about their country, but they also, in another way, they also feel vulnerable. Because at the moment they are seen following this leader, it appears as if they are following someone who has been bought, someone who is compromised. So it becomes a bit worrying as well in terms of the people. But I want to buy also from my statements. What's this name? This guy's name? Anotifundisa nenyaya resistance. Zeti, yeah. Could the people, when the people decide on something, shanda, when people stand up together, shanda. So I think where we are now is the phase here, the people. I think this is all the crisis, what they're going to decide for us, which we are not yet privy to, is the fact that political party pachezvayo will not deliver for the people. ZANU-PF have failed to deliver for the people. CCC has failed to deliver for the people. The same as MDC. But the new thinking, the new approach, it should be the people power. People power can deliver for the people. It can redefine the existence. It can come up with a new Zimbabwe that everyone can enjoy and live and survive in. But Panapa, we've suffered. But some people have been very clever. They've been planning years and years. Pakatanga kubviswa running mate mukataura yanga tori plan running mate yabviswa, then paappointwa mapowers kwaappoinda majudges apuwa munhu one. It's planning iri kuitwa, then kozoyana chabangu vazobudawo mumaopposition vakuti ndisi ma-SG. It's part of the planning yanga ichitirwa yanga itwa execute vanhu takavarayirwa. At that time I want to believe even mamwe edu vakafunda varima leaders, maybe they thought munhu one ari kusafa. Maybe that time yaka SG, some people were laughing and enjoying. I think about maybe munhu one ari kusafa. But just 1.5 years or 2 years down the line, we're waking up to this couple 3 now and we realize ingatese tatosafa panapa atichavhumika kuvhota tese tatosafa. But mashure munhu wamwe watofunga kuti aiwa munhu one ari kusafiswa uyo ashayiswa. But now I'm trying to talk about the planning, the pre-planning yakaitwa nemumwe munhu. Isusu takavarayirwa. As usual, as Zimbabweans, we are a bit docile and slow. Munhu anga achironga achitoita chinhu chake achisunga achiconsolidate. Maitokanda kuudzwa kunzi munhu mutapa dynasty kana kuti mafit dynasty. chii chokuti mumwe munhu anga achitoronga tiripo takasvinura tese achiisa maresources ake ipapo. So we can also learn from that. We can't always live in regret all the time. We can learn from it to say, you know what, if he managed it, and if they managed it, vachiplan, what about us? Can we not plan something to undo whatever they've done? I think we can still do it. And we know we need some resources. But I think my resources where the people are involved, where the people are the main organization opposing, I think that can work easier than a few individuals. These guys have got money. We can't lie about that. Ngoma John wataura zvakanaka. Vane mari dzavo varume ava. They've come together nemari dzavo and they are sponsoring it, whatever. But vashoma, we the people, if we are to unite and demand a change, it can happen. It can happen. What we need, we need planning, we need unity. How to get that unity is what matters. It's the question of the day now. How do we get united? And how can we remove that doubt amongst ourselves? Because it's a suspicion in pakati pedu. How can we genuinely unite and be focused on bringing a change and building a country that everyone would enjoy living into? I think that's the question at issue. I want to appreciate all because at the end of the time, at the end of the day, my efforts are appreciate, and then they can be complemented with whatever we can see. It can be tried. For example, there's an effort we had a few days back file constitutional court opposing this CAP 3. We can only support him and complement his effort. I think what we don't need now at the moment is to try and look at Dag as Dag. Let's look at the effort and support it. And possibly he watch us written with earnestly. Possibly when he sees one behind it, I think he will change. He will be shocked because people are taking me serious. So I think whilst we are waiting for new strategies, whilst we are trying to galvanize the animal energy, I think this is what we can do. Let's complement this. Initial opposition tactics anenge achiswache wayo tongowasapota and then toona kuti anobudisa mari zavo sakaita safe. From that road inenge yambotorwa iyoyo, we will learn new strategies, and then maybe from those strategies we come up with new ideas, we build new strategies, and then attack again. But otherwise, zviri kutoda resilience yemunhu wese. Dambudziko randinonyanya kuona zvangu kumaZimbabweans ndekuti tine two sides. No, I think three sides. One, we have the informed side. Vanhu vari kuziva zviri kuitika and vari kuziva kuti zviri kuitirwei, zviri kuitwa nani, and sei zviri kubudirira. There are people who knows. And then the other side, pane vamwe vanhu vari all innocent zvavo vanongoti vakanzi mhanyani kuno kwavanongomhanya, mhanyani uko kwavanongomhanya. They are not informed. They know why things are changing. They don't know why things are changing. They only hear, they only get command. Ita zvakati mukasata zvakati tinokutorera minda, mukasaita zvakati tinokutorera pekugara. So they are listening because vari kutya kuti tinozoreza minda yedu. They are listening because that's the only voice yasvika kwavari. Havana rimwe voice rinovataura what we would say, the truth. They are living and they are complying because of one voice is spoken, and they trust that voice because they know that voice can victimize them. Don't say reach two. Then consider side reach three. Revanhu vari kuda matrinkets, the masses that are there vari kuda kungopuhwa zvekugamuchira. The people like wana Baba Shona, people like wana Padare, people who wants to gain, to benefit because of the changes, because of supporting the people who have got power now. So these are three groups of Zimbabweans we have at the moment. Saka pari kuda kuti pave nekabridge kanobuildwa between these three groups tikwanise kuva mass inoziva kuti Zimbabwe i1. There's only one Zimbabwe that we can all defend, all of us, the rich, the poor, the confused, the knowledgeable, the ignorant. There's only one Zimbabwe that we can come together to defend and protect and build and become a Zimbabwe that every Zimbabwean will enjoy to live a life, will want to live in that country. That's what we need to do. At the moment, we are not able to do that because there are certain people we have seen an opportunity to grab power and manipulate everyone else so that they can enjoy the Zimbabwe that everyone else is supposed to be enjoying. They are supposed to be sharing with everyone else, but what we enjoy vari vega. We need to sell the message. The Zimbabwe our people died for, our ancestors died for, our people fought for, is being taken by one family, is being taken by a few individuals. Can we come together, regroup, and fight and defend the Zimbabwe we desire, the Zimbabwe we were born into, the Zimbabwe that belongs to us? I think this is what we want to do. So, let's galvanize, let's get united Pachedu and focus on one thing, uniting and fighting this dictatorship this kingdom iruda kupitorwa. So it fight that together and then we can start afresh. I don't know how we can do that, but I think we can start by supporting my initiative yekuita something, whether ndana tenda biti, whether ndana this new combined opposition group. I think let's support them, let's work with them, let's help them see what they don't see, and let's support them with the resources they need as well if we can. But no kwanisira pacho kuitira kuti Zimbabwe yacho ibatike ichiri padhuze. I think that's what I can say for now. But I think these are worrying times and it might take us long. Mr. Jez, it might take us long, especially if we keep on fighting, especially if we keep on focusing. It won't help us. What we need now is to unite. What we need now is to focus. We need everyone's energy, and we need everyone to be honest and willing to do what is to be done now to save the Zimbabwe that we are about to lose. Thank you so much.